Hello 7th graders, welcome to English grammar class. So before I begin, I will take the pledge. I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. A promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. A promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others. To wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together we will win this fight against COVID-19. So, dear students, we will continue with our topic, notice writing. In the previous assignment, we have learned about the definition of a notice. A notice is used to inform people about an event or an activity such as competition, a picnic, an event, a meeting, a show, or an exhibition. A good notice is always to the point and contains only the necessary details. So this is the format that we have to follow while we write a notice. First of all, you will write a catchy heading. After that, you will write the name of the event. Then you will write the date on which the event will happen. After this, you will write the time of the event. Then you will write the venue of the event. After this, you will write the details of the event. Then you will write the name of the issuing authority. After that, you will write the designation of the issuing authority. So this is the format that you will follow. So today we will discuss question 2 and 3 from your book. The second notice is about you are Bani Tripathi, Secretary, Debate Club of your school. Now, your name is Bani Tripathi and your designation is Secretary, Debate Club. The school is hosting the 10th inter-school debate competition for classes 6th to 10th. Now, the name of the event here is Inter-School Debate Competition, and this is for the classes 6th to 10th at the school auditorium. The venue is school auditorium. Write a notice inviting students of your school to participate in it. Now, you have to write one notice and you have to invite the students from your school to participate in this competition. So let's write. So first of all, we will begin with one catchy heading. So this catchy heading should be related to the name of the event. So now the name of the event was debate competition. So your catchy heading must coincide with the debate. So you can write war of words, because everyone knows what happens in a debate. Debate में होता क्या है? War of words, शब्दों के बार. After that, you will write the name of the event. Now, the name of the event was 10th Inter-School Debate Competition. After writing this, you will write the date on which the event will happen. So for now, the date was not given in the question, so you can write any date. So we have written on 20th of May 2021. After that, we will mention one time. So we have mentioned from 9 a.m. to 12 noon. The time was also not mentioned in the question. So after this, we have to write the venue. Now venue was already mentioned in the question. The venue was at the school auditorium. So यहाँ पे venue already mentioned था. तो जो venue question में given है, आपने वही venue यहाँ पे लिखना है. So we have written at school auditorium. So the school auditorium. स्कूल ऑडिटोरियम के लिए आपको स्कूल का नेम भी यहाँ पे मेंशन करना पड़ेगा. सो वी हैव मेंशन द नेम ऑफ द स्कूल, एवियर कॉन्वेंट स्कूल. आफ्टर दैट वी विल राइट द डिटेल्स ऑफ द इवेंट. So let's begin with the details. All the students from classes 6th to 10th who wish to participate are to give their names to Mr. Prakash on or before 10th May 2021. So जो भी बच्चे 6th क्लास से लेके 10th क्लास में पढ़ते हैं और पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहते हैं इस कंपटीशन में, वो अपने नेम्स मिस्टर प्रकाश को दे सकते हैं 10 मई से पहले या फिर 10 मई के दिन. ठीक है. सो द कॉम्पिटिशन वॉज टू बी हेल्ड ऑन 20th ऑफ मे. सो यहाँ पे जो डेट डालोगे आप वो 10th ऑफ मे की डालोगे. ओके. आफ्टर दैट यू विल राइट द नेम ऑफ द इशूइंग अथॉरिटी. सो ये नोटिस जिसने तैयार किया है उसका नेम आप यहाँ पे डालोगे. सो द इशूइंग अथॉरिटी वॉज बानी त्रिपाठी. So you will write the name Bani Tripathi here. After writing this, you will write the designation of the issuing authority. कि जो issuing authority है जिसने ये नोटिस तैयार किया है उसकी पोजीशन कौन सी है, उसकी डेजिग्नेशन कौन सी है. So who was Bani Tripathi? He or she was the secretary of debate club of your school. So you will write secretary debate club. So this is it. We have mentioned one catchy heading, name of the event, date of the event, time of the event, venue of the event, details about the event, name of the issuing authority and designation of the issuing authority. So we have made this notice totally according to the format that I have already sent you. Okay, now let's begin with the third. You are Prateek, the head boy of Rani Jhansi School in Jhansi. Write a notice requesting the students of your school to donate generously for the residents of 2 orphanages in your area. Okay, now your name is Prateek. And what is your designation? You are the head boy of Rani Jhansi School. Now the name of the school is already given in the question. So you will use this name. After that, write a notice requesting the students of your school to donate generously. Now this is about making donations. So the event here is donations. And donations. Who has to make the donations? The residents of 2 orphanages in your area. For, ठीक है, ask them to deposit their contribution at the school library by 30th of August 2018. Now this date was already given in the question, but I have changed this date and I have written 30th of May here. Okay, so the donations कहाँ पे होंगी? स्कूल लाइब्रेरी में. सो द वेन्यू गिवन हियर इज स्कूल लाइब्रेरी. और डोनेशंस 2 ऑर्फनेजेस के लिए होगी. और डोनेट कौन करेगा? स्टूडेंट्स डोनेट करेंगे. सो दिस इज़ द इंफॉर्मेशन दैट वी हैव गॉट फ्रॉम द क्वेश्चन. So let's write. Now because the event is about donation, so you must write one catchy heading that must consign with donation. Donation के according एक catchy heading आपको लिखनी है. So we have written be human. Okay, ये हो गई donation के according एक catchy heading. After that you can write the name of the event. So the name of the event is donations for the orphans. अब अकॉर्डिंग टू फॉर्मेट हमने यहाँ पे डेट, टाइम और वेन्यू मेंशन करना था, बट यहाँ पे हम वो चीज़ें मेंशन नहीं करेंगे. द रीज़न फॉर दिस इज़ नॉट एन इवेंट दैट कैन हैपन ऑन वन पर्टिकुलर डे. अब डोनेशन का जो ये इवेंट है ये सिर्फ एक दिन में होने वाला इवेंट नहीं है. जो भी लोग हैं वो बाय 30th ऑफ मे तक अपनी डोनेशन दे सकती है. मतलब आज से अगर ये नोटिस बोर्ड पे लगेगा तो आज से शुरू होके 30th ऑफ मे तक वो डोनेशंस दे सकते हैं. सो ये एक दिन में होने वाला इवेंट नहीं है. सो दिस इज़ वाई हमने यहाँ पे डेट, टाइम और वेन्यू मेंशन नहीं किया. ओके, दिस इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द प्रीवियस 2 नोटिसेस एंड दिस नोटिस. ये बात आपने ध्यान में रखनी है कि जो एक दिन में होने वाला नोटिस नहीं है, एक दिन में होने वाला इवेंट नहीं है, उसमें आपने डेट, टाइम और वेन्यू मेंशन नहीं करना. आफ्टर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू राइट द डिटेल्स ऑफ द इवेंट. ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ रानी झांसी स्कूल, झांसी. सो जो भी रानी झांसी स्कूल के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, और ये स्कूल कहाँ पे है? ये स्कूल झांसी में ही है, इन झांसी. are requested to kindly donate generously for the residents of 2 orphanages of the area. So वहाँ के जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो सभी डोनेट करें 2 ऑर्फनेजेस के लिए जो हमारे एरिया के ही हैं. All the donations may be deposited at the school library by 30th of May 2021 from 9 AM to 11 AM. So सभी डोनेशंस स्कूल लाइब्रेरी में, क्योंकि वेन्यू स्कूल लाइब्रेरी ऑलरेडी मेंशन था क्वेश्चन में, सो स्कूल लाइब्रेरी में सभी डिपॉजिट करवा दें बाय 30th of May 2021. और टाइमिंग हमने खुद से दे दी फ्रॉम 9 AM to 11 AM. देन यू विल राइट द नेम ऑफ द इशूइंग अथॉरिटी विच वॉज ऑलरेडी गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, प्रतीक. सो हमने यहाँ पे प्रतीक लिख दिया. आफ्टर दैट वी विल राइट द डेजिग्नेशन ऑफ द इशूइंग अथॉरिटी. नाउ हु वॉज प्रतीक? प्रतीक वॉज द हेड बॉय ऑफ रानी झांसी स्कूल. सो वी विल राइट हेड बॉय रानी झांसी स्कूल. So that's it. So all the best dear students, and do this work on your fair notebooks. That's it.